Alright, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you my dirt bike. So, hold on, I'm going to do my dog's. Okay, so this is my dirt bike, and just made a video about it, but I'm sorry, the dogs are barking at a neighbor, but I put them inside. Yup, she needs a set of new tires. I went through and I cleaned the kickstand because it was all dirty. Hold on, I'll show you guys what I use. I used that stuff. Hold on. I used this stuff. You can see it. All-purpose spray bottle. I use that stuff and I sprayed it all on my tires. And then I took our hose and sprayed it. Put my finger right in the middle of the hose and sprayed it all down. Because I mudded it that one day. Really bad. So I decided to wash it. But it looks very good. Alright, well, I'm going to set you guys down. Let's do it. Alright, ready guys? It's in neutral, so it should start right up. Because this is a clutch, it should just start right up in neutral. Chokes on. Not using any gas. So that was it. Alright, let's show you my track. Okay, so I got back to my track, and this is what I was mudding yesterday. All in up there. I'll show you guys. My brother likes to come in through here at the four-wheeler. I'll show you it at the last part of the video. But yeah, I mud all right here. I stalled it out right here. Right here. Took me an hour to push it out. And then I stalled it out in that mud puddle. So Cletus, surprised my shocks didn't break this one. So my brother just hooked onto the shocks and just yanked me out. Didn't break the shocks. But I cleaned it and put it away because it was supposed to snow tonight. Cleaned it, put it away. Shut the garage door. And yeah, but yesterday, that's when my clutch cable broke. But Dad had an extra one, and that was the wrong one. And I'm pretty sure I told you guys this, but we got a new clutch lever for it too. So it was all, I don't even know, like all, because the clutch lever was snapped in half somehow. Because the guy I bought it from was hard on it. I'm hard on it too, but not really bad as he was. So he shifted. He was riding it in the winter. Slipped out and snapped the clutch lever. Oh yeah. Well, hold on. I'm gonna... Okay, well, I got a mud hole back here too. I'll show you guys that. I got the quad stuck so bad. I thought I can, so I tried it in two-wheel, got stuck in the hole, so I put it in four. It was just sliding there. So I just put reversed and just freaking floored it forward right here. It was really monkey that one day. It might not look bad on camera, but it was pretty dang bad. Especially you're doing it two-wheel. It's just all muck. See, there we go. God. Yeah. I'm trying to build trails in our woods. It's just hard. But I'm scared to take my dirt bike to that. Because I about flipped over the handlebars in the quad. But I'm going to show you where my dad... Something funny that my dad trying to do that one day. Yeah. He was... Because my dad had a friend that brung over this big loader over here. And made those RC jumps. You know, like those gas-powered RCs kind of things. Yeah. Made a jump with it. And I went over it with the quad once, I think. I don't know if I did or not. Probably my brother. I can't remember anything, guys. But, yeah. He tore it. Oh, my God. See, my Uncle Nate flipped this a long time ago. So my dad drug it back here with his diesel. Which you don't have the diesel anymore, but drug it back here. And just drug it right here. And left it here. And my dad called his friend and told him to bring over a loader wheel, turn this into a RC jump. So we did. 4 years later, I mean, like a couple weeks, like 4 years later, it came out Ranger and a Razor jump into a, you know, like those little mini bike jumps. That's what I learned how to ride a dirt bike on. You guys might think that's weird, but yeah. And turned into a dirt bike and a quad jump. So I decided to come here, get the four-lit. I mean, get the bucket. He had a bucket on. I don't know why he got the, whatever they call it, forks. To lift it up. No, he just took the bucket and jammed it. And lift it up and see if there's any cats he can sell to get money from. Nope, wasn't any. That was a waste of time of a jump. I was hoping he'd take the whole thing out here. Like another jump. So I would jump off of there and come down right here. So that's what I thought, but Dad, next time I told him he gets the skid steer, he rents the skid steer again, I want him to take it out of this hole so it makes like a jump. And more things for me to do out here. My dirt bike. I also ride back in the trails. But that's kind of cool that I have this. But and yeah. Well, my dad told me last night that we were trading a four-wheeler for this bus. Hold on. I'll show you guys here in a minute. I'll show you the quad here in a minute. Unless this is a good trade. So if we go in here, I think it's unlocked. Yup, it's unlocked. It's just the whole bus, party bus. We got it fixed for a customer one day. One customer decided to take it up to GameStop. But it's a nice bus. So, well, I'll show you the four-wheeler. Bad boy right here. I washed it the other day because it was just sitting here because the battery got messed up. I tried jumping it to get it warmed up, but I kept on stalling out. Because you don't like to let things warm up, you don't have patience. So, yeah. And I gave my little mini bike to a kid. I didn't have one that I learned how to ride on. It didn't have one, so that's our neighbors. Just right down the road. So, well, yeah. When I first got it, it was a little uncomfortable for me. This four-wheeler. Yeah, this is the one she had to pull me out with. Yeah, this one from one of my mom, my dad's customers. We own an auto repair shop in Mant, Michigan. But all right. Well, see you in the next one.